Hello friends, welcome to this fun lecture. Yes friend, why I have said fun? You can ask me. Well, you will get to know. So, let's create a rectangle first. Let's provide a fill color. Say this one. Now, we already know what this width tool is, right? Which works well with the line tool. Remember? Next, let's take a look at the warp tool. Now, click and drag. Inside or outside. Click and drag. See? So, this is the warp tool. Let's create a rectangle just like this. And using the warp tool, just work with it. Now, you can even also work with some other shapes also, but this is how it works actually. So if you click and drag inside, then your shape will go inside, and if you drag outside, then your shape will go outside. See, just like this. That's cool, right? Is it an amoeba or something else? This one is looking like amoeba or no? But yeah, another thing is that for working with any object, first of all you need to select that object. Then only you can apply some warp effect or twirl effect. Okay, now let's take a look at the twirl effect. Yeah, twirl effect. Yeah, so select it by clicking on it, and currently this object is selected. Now click and drag. Be quick. Click and drag. Slow. See what's happening. Oh my god. Click and keep it like that. Oh my god. See? Is it fun or not? See? It's fun, right? Let's select this one. And using the twirl tool, let's provide some twirl effect. Let's create a rectangle. Using the twirl tool, let's go crazy with it. Oh my god. Okay, next we have the Pucker tool. Let's create a rectangle again, and let's work with this Pucker tool. Let's create an ellipse, and let's work with this Pucker tool. See? Okay. Next we have the bloat tool. All these tools are kind of, you can just work with these and you can understand that what all of these does. You can just play around with it and you can learn it better, that for which purpose it is used. And this pucker and bloat, there is a very cool effect here. This is the pucker and bloat. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. So this is a circle, right? Let's go to the effect panel, distort and transform. Let's click on pucker and bloat. Let's check the preview option and see. This is the bloat effect. Okay. Next, the pucker effect. Oh my god, see? That's cool, right? So yeah, this is the pucker and bloat. Next we have the Scallop tool. What's that? It will create some jaggy edges, right? See? Let's select this one and let's apply this. jaggy effect, jaggy edges. Next we have the Crystallize tool. Currently which one is selected? Let's select this one, and let's apply this Crystallize tool on this object and see. OMG. Let's create a rectangle just like this. Okay, this is rounded rectangle, right? Now let's apply the Crystallize tool here and see. Next we have the wrinkle tool. Okay, can you guess that where you can use it? Can you guess? Of course we can use anything abruptly, but we don't know that where to use it. Let's create a rectangle. Let's delete everything. Let's create a rectangle just like this. And now using the twirl tool, let's twirl. See? Now using the pucker tool, let's apply some pucker effect. See, and here let's write something, say happy birthday, something happy birthday to someone, like this. So yeah, these are used for some decoration purpose. See, for decorating some edges, but with subtle effect, not too much. Now using type tool, let's write here, say hello all. Let's make it really big and white. Let's make it Britannica. Britannic bold. Yup. So yeah, so that's why I have told you that it's a fun lecture, because here you will learn really funny stuffs, right? But also some learning stuff is there, that is you can decorate some edges using these tools. Select this hello all layer, press Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl F to paste in front. See here, go to edit, paste in front, option is Ctrl F. Let's move it 1 point down and 1 point right. Right click, arrange, send backward. And here in the layers panel, see, at last we have this hello all, right? So select this layer only, and let's change its color to something dark, say this one, and see. Now try to move it. Well, select this hello all, try to move it. See, okay, so that's it guys. Here I'm concluding this lecture. This is all about all of these. I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture and also learned some really cool stuff, that how you can work with these tools. And another trick which I want to say is that, see, whenever you are selecting something, pucker or bloat or something, your mouse has an ellipse surrounding it, right? You can even change the size of this using the alt key. See, alt drag. And now when you are applying these tools on some shapes, this selected area is getting affected. So yeah, you can change this working dimension using the alt key, alt and drag. See, so yeah, it's fun, I know. Okay guys, so here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.